Two great ways to make progress in life coming right up.
Welcome, 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 welcome to my personal coaching club.
Number 1, bring down wrong imaginations. Casting down imaginations and everything that exalts itself against the knowledge of God. You know, I'll never be apologetic in letting you know that God only says good stuff about you, and it's your duty and our duty to embrace all the good stuff. I really don't care that life isn't perfect. I really just care that no matter what anyone says, thinks, or does, all God says and thinks about me, about us, are good. So when we bring down wrong and negative imaginations, wrong and negative reports, negative self-talk, or projections, we are paving the way for good and more good to come into our lives. A little progress each and every day adds up to big and better results. We create our own progress by bringing down whatever does not align with it. A wise person once said that sometimes why we do not make progress in life is because we are afraid of being small. We're afraid of being a beginner, of starting out small, afraid of being judged. Yet, most times when you get to the top, no one remembers that you started small. No one remembers that you've been through so much. And all this stuff that no one may appreciate or remember is all still progress. And that is one truth that will keep you moving forward, because I believe that the journey is a major part of your success story, a major part of your progress in life, no matter what anyone may think. Number 2, practice gratitude habitually. Gratitude. You'll probably hear me talking about it every now and again. I have talked extensively on gratitude in this video and others that I will link in the description. Yet, again, practicing gratitude on a regular basis habitually is a great and sure way to move forward and make progress in life. If you are thankful and you can give thanks in everything, I'm telling you, no one can stop your progress. Let me tell you, small progress is still progress, in case you didn't know. Slow progress is better than no progress at all. So stay thankful and remain full of gratitude. If you're ungrateful for where you are in life right now, you will lose focus, okay? And you will infect your spirit. You will poison your soul. You will tamper with your goals, with your ambitions. So sometimes it's really not important to hit every target, okay? To achieve every single one of your goals. The progress made is still very much progress. And that is why we must never compare our own progress to that of others. We should stay inspired, okay? Because we all need our own, time, our own pace to travel our own distance. So maintain an attitude of gratitude so that you can begin to appreciate your own progress. I believe in the saying that things turn out best for people who make the best out of the way things turn out. I believe that it's impossible, okay, to feel grateful and not make progress. Both of them walk hand in hand. Gratitude, progress. They're in a great team. So tune up your gratitude today and embrace your progress too. Hope you enjoyed this video. I'd love to hear your insights in the comments. Remember to subscribe if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up, and I'll talk to you in my next one. Thank you for watching and have a great day.